What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Dulux wooden tool set. It's got some. If you look at the back, it's got like some little kids playing with it. Okay, and then there's actually 26 wooden pieces and a tool belt. But we're not gonna be talking about that. And then down there at the bottom it says what would you build? What will you build? I'm sorry about that. And then this whole thing comes with includes it includes 8 boards, 6 screws, 6 nuts, 2 nails, double-sided roller, hammer, wrench, screwdriver, and self-stick tool belt with pockets. Okay, so first we're going to start with 8 boards. There's one right there. One. Then there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then there's the double-sided roller, the screws on each side, hammer, screwdriver, tool belt, screws, the wedges thing, tool belt, wrench, and then these things right here on each side. I don't know if those are. But, this is ages 3 and up. You can see in the corner up there, ages 3 and up. And so, like, this is good for my nephew, because he could turn 2, yeah. But, oh well. And then it says, use Mickey Mouse tools to build playtime fun with Mickey and the Clubhouse game. And so I wanted to do a review on this for my baby nephew, so whenever he gets older, he can look at this and see like who bought this. Actually, my mom bought it, but I'm doing a review on it. And so that.